Hey guys, today I'm going to review the Effect Audio Cadmus II. This is the signature series from Effect Audio. A big thanks to Ho-Kago for sending this review unit, but all the thoughts and opinions you're about to hear are my own. So let's get started. I'll show the brief unboxing on the screen while I speak about the basic specs about the Cadmus II. So the Cadmus II is made out of high purity silver plated copper. It has 26 AWG. This has 8 core cable. You can get it in 2-pin or MM6, or you can pay extra for the connect system, which will give you modularity for all the connectors. You can get this in 3.5, 4.4, 2.5. The length of the cable is 1.2 meters, and the price of the Cadmus II is $249. So yeah, quite expensive for a cable. So let's show you it. So I'm using it with the KVS KE4. I'm testing it out, and yeah, let me unwrap it and show it to you. So this is the termination. I got it in 4.4, and this is made out of metal, but it's a bit thin. It feels a bit hollow. You can screw it and open, as you can see. Just a minute. Yeah, you can screw it and open. But it's pretty high quality, and it has these things on the side, which actually makes it quite easy to grip, to put it in and to put it out of the jack. Now here is one of the big cons which I came across for this Effect Audio cable is it doesn't have any strain relief over here, as you can see. So over time it could cause some issues over here. Now this is the cable. Let's come to the splitter. Now the splitter is where you can see all the magic happening. I'll try to put up a picture on the screen, but you can also see this video. It has this quartz element or some kind of design inside the splitter, which looks really cool, especially with this white cable. So this too is made out of metal. It has this on both the sides. And again, the second con over here which I found is the Y splitter. The Y splitter, although made out of metal, it seems a bit thin, especially for a cable which is priced at around $249. Yeah, it is good. There is no issues with that. It doesn't slide away. It works properly, but it doesn't invoke confidence, especially how thin it is. Right? Yeah. So now coming to the ear hooks. The ear hooks is done fantastically well. No issues over here. And with the use of the chin cinch, it works really well. And this is a recessed 2-pin, so it works with most IMs. It worked with the Truth Ear Gate, and it also worked with IMs like the KVS KE4, which has a flat 2-pin. Yeah, so that's this. Let me make a wrap of this. So yeah, out of the box, the Cadmus II feels a bit heavy. But what Effect Audio has done is they have made it lighter than the previous generation, so that's great. One thing I just want to tell you that it does feel a bit stiff out of the box. Please to use it for a week or two so that it becomes a bit softer, and that really helps out a lot. Out of the box, I did find it to be a bit stiff, but when I used it for a week or two, this got quite a bit soft, and it was really nice to use. And one more con is that the jack should have been gold plated for this price. $249 is a lot. But yeah, it is one of the nicest cable I have used. Although I was not a big fan of thick cables, these surprisingly work really well, and they are really strong when you wear it. So you won't feel that the wire might catch into anything and break away. So that's not the case with this. Only thing is that you have to give it a bit of a time so that they become a bit soft and supple. So I would say 1 to 2 weeks is enough. That's my review of the Effect Audio Cadmus II. If you have any doubt, please to comment below and ask, and I'll try to help you out. 94% of the people watching this video aren't subscribed, so I would really appreciate if you could like and subscribe. That's a great way of supporting me, and it really helps me out a lot. So yeah, Thanks for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. Bye.